Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make your own turmeric face mask. And this doesn't have to be for your face only. This can go on your whole body. Okay. So of course we are going to start with the turmeric. And then I have my special ingredients. Seamoss, of course. You'll be seeing me add Seamoss in a lot of my products that I make. I love Seamoss. I love the benefits. Of course, this has 92 of the 102 minerals we all need to be taking every day. I stand by that still. So yeah, I'm going to be adding that. Cinnamon. A little honey. A lot of honey. And that is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and ginger, actually. It's a little mix. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and stir that in there. And we're going to make sure we get it to like a paste, a nice, smooth, creamy paste. So it can go evenly on your skin. And I added a little bit of lemon. And it is already forming together perfectly. And in case you're wondering about the smell is not bad. It smells like spice. Oh, and here I'm just adding a little tea tree oil. Of course, turmeric is anti-inflammatory, okay? It's antibacterial, making this a great component to eliminate acne. It is an antiseptic as well. Turmeric is wonderful. Okay, it protects the skin from aging, reduces the dark circles under your eyes, all of those dark patches like the hyperpigmentation. Turmeric is also full of antioxidants. This is going to heal all wounds. Like I said, not only on your face, but you can put this on your whole body in the shower. So another component that's good for eczema is that cinnamon. I added cinnamon. The lemon juice as well detoxifies the skin. And the apple cider vinegar is wonderful because it's going to balance your pH levels and it restricts the dilation of pores. So this is going to help create a nice balance in your skin. If your skin is too oily or you're too dry, you're gonna have a balance with this. With this mask, this is really good. And this is something that you can put on every day if you want to. I just wanted to show you guys how to make this turmeric mask. Everybody has been asking me for it, so I just figured we might as well make a video so you guys can see how to make your own. You don't have to add the Seamoss, that is optional. But yeah, as you can see, I was trying to get every last drop. I like to get every last drop because this is good shit. Good stuff here, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little video. I just wanted to be more hands-on and show you guys how we get down in the kitchen. See you next time.